Hi everyone, good morning to one and all. This is Sandhya from Sasi Institute of Technology and Engineering in the branch of IT. In this video, I explain the topic of convert the NFA into DFA. First of all, what is NFA and DFA? NFA stands for non-deterministic finite automata, and also DFA stands for deterministic finite automata. These are the full form of NFA and DFA. And here NFA expression and DFA expression is the transition function, the current state input symbol leads to the multiple paths, and also DFA transition function, the current state input symbol leads to the only one path. In this NFA and DFA, mainly the difference is non-deterministic finite automata is multiple paths containing, and deterministic finite automata containing only one path. And here the given diagram Q0, Q1, Q2 are the status, and this is the initial state and this is the final state. A comma B are the input symbols, and NFA are used in the implementation of regular expressions, and DFA are used in including protocol analysis and security analysis and CPU control units and etc. So now first of all we convert the NFA to DFA. Step 1, construct the NFA transition table. The NFA transition table, and this is the transition symbol, and A comma B are the input symbols, and Q0, Q1 and Q2 are the status, and this is the initial state and this is the final state. Here Q0 on A goes to Q0 and Q0 on A goes to Q1. Q0 on B goes to Q0 on B goes to Q0. Q1 on A goes to, there is nothing value, and Q1 on B goes to Q1 on B goes to final state of the Q2, and here Q2 on A goes to no value and the Q2 on B goes to there is no value because of the final state have no input symbols. So we write like this, and this is the step 1. The step 1, the transition table, based on we construct the transition diagram of NFA, and here step 2, DFA transition table, DFE transition table we construct based on the NFE transition table. So this is the transition function, and these are the input symbols, and this is the initial state. Q0 on A goes to Q0 Q1, Q0 on B goes to Q0. And here we observe that in NFA transition table we write like this, curly braces and Q0 comma Q1, and here square bracket and there is no comma. The reason is that these are the separate status. This Q0 is different state and Q1 is different state. And here DFE transition table, Q0 state and Q1 state we will take or consider as the single state. And here one thing is in the main important that thing is in NFA transition table. This is the NFA transition table. How we can say that here NFA transition table 2 power Q. Here DFA is Q. Here multiple paths containing non-deterministic finite automata, and here single path contains the deterministic finite automata. So these are the more than one. So we will understand this is the NFA transition table, and here we will take the 2 states or 3 states or more than one state. We will take single state like the representation as the square bracket like this, and here Q0 is transition is completed. Then we will take Q0 and the Q1, and here Q0 on A goes to Q0 Q1, and Q1 on A goes to, there is nothing value, so we will close the square bracket, and Q0 on B goes to Q0, and Q1 on B goes to Q2. Q0 and Q2 we will take single state, and here Q0 Q1 is already completed, so we will take Q0 Q0 2. Q0 on A goes to Q0 Q1, and Q2 on A goes to, there is no nothing value, so and Q2 on B goes to Q0 on B goes Q0 on B goes to Q0, and Q2 on B goes to, there is no nothing value. So this is the DFA transition table. And now DFA transition diagram. And these are the status DFA transition table, and here Q0 on A goes to Q0 Q1, and Q0 on B goes to Q0, and Q0 Q1 on A goes to Q0 Q1, Q0 Q1 on B goes to Q0 Q2, and Q0 Q0 2 on A goes to Q0 Q1, and Q0 Q0 Q2 on B goes to Q0. So this is the transition diagram. How we will see that this is definitely obviously this is the DFA transition diagram. Here DFE transition diagram contains only one path. Q naught on A goes to only one state, and Q naught Q1 on B goes to only one state, and Q naught Q1 on A goes to only one state, Q naught Q2 on A goes to only one state. This is the final state. And this is the initial state, and here specific inputs in only one state. So this is the DFA transition diagram. Thank you for all.